Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm on the road again. I had to go make some runs through town, and I'm making the best of it.
I went on a little road trip. I wanted to go pick up a lawn roller over at Home Depot, and since I had to drive 12 miles to get there, I decided that it was a good idea to make full use of the trip and take another little side jog.
Decided, what the heck, I'll go down to the Restore, it's just down the street. So I did, walked to the Restore, didn't think I would find anything until I found this little bin with all these different tools in it. And each one of them was $2. I know, it's marked $3. There's no price on this one. She charged me $6 for all three, so that works out to about $2 a piece.
If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.